Looking for the best pickleball paddle that fits your game? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, M10 Pickleball Paddle Set. Let's kick things off with the M10 Pickleball Paddle Set, priced at just $39.99. What caught my attention was its USAPA approval, which means you can use it confidently in tournaments. If you want a reliable starter paddle, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this paddle can be a game changer for you. It's designed with a fiberglass surface and a polypropylene honeycomb core. This means you get exceptional power and control during play. The lightweight design at around 7.8 ounces makes it comfortable for those long matches. Plus, the wide racket area offers more sweet spots for perfect shots. I saw that over 5,000 units were sold just last month, so it's definitely popular among beginner and intermediate players. However, I did notice some complaints about the grip size being a bit small for larger hands. Here's the thing though, while it might not fit everyone, many players find it manageable. If you have average-sized hands, you might not have an issue at all. This paddle is perfect for you if you're just starting out or looking for an affordable yet solid option. But if you have larger hands and need something bigger, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, if the grip size of the M10 bothered you, this next one might just be the answer you're looking for. Product number 2, the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set, retailing at $59.90. I was drawn in by its complete set offering, which includes 4 paddles and balls, making it great for family fun. If you want to play with friends and family right away, this set is a fantastic choice. What's impressive about this paddle is its lightweight design at 8 ounces and large sweet spot, which is especially friendly for beginners. The fiberglass construction adds strength while keeping it easy to swing without straining your shoulder. Plus, it's USAPA approved, so you know you're getting quality. With over 3,000 sold recently, clearly many are loving this option. But here's where it gets real. Some users mentioned the paddles could feel a bit flimsy during intense play. Here's my take. While they might not be as sturdy as others, they do provide a great blend of power and control for casual games. So if you're not a pro, you probably won't notice any issues. This is perfect for you if you love playing with a group or have kids just starting. But if you're a serious player looking for a more durable paddle, you might want to consider a different model. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who prioritize performance. Product number 3, Joola Pickleball Paddles. Let's look at the Joola Pickleball Paddles, priced at $59.99. The collaboration with top player Ben Johns really caught my eye, as it hints at high performance. If you want something that performs well on the court, you'll want to hear this. The fiberglass surface coupled with a honeycomb core means you'll experience less vibration and a larger sweet spot, crucial for control and power. The paddles are lightweight yet durable, making it easy for beginners to handle while still being suitable for more experienced players. With over 1,000 sold last month, it seems to be a hit. However, I did find some feedback about the paddles being a bit too light for advanced players who prefer more heft. Here's the thing. While it might not satisfy everyone, beginners will appreciate the ease of use, and it allows for longer play without fatigue. This set is perfect for you if you're looking for something that won't wear you out during those long matches. But if you like a heavier paddle for more control, this might not be your best option. Now, if you're after a stylish yet functional paddle, the next product on my list could be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Dinkly Pickleball Paddle Set. We have the Dinkly Pickleball Paddle Set, which comes in at $41.99. What really grabbed my attention was its stylish design combined with usability for beginners. If you want a paddle that looks good on the court while performing well, this one is a great option. The unique 14mm polymer honeycomb core provides a larger hitting area, making it easier to connect with the ball. Weighing in at 8 ounces, it strikes a nice balance between speed and power. I found that the breathable anti-slip grip really enhances comfort during play. Plus, it's USAPA approved, so you can trust its quality. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clear that players are enjoying this set. But I need to mention that some users felt the paddles lacked a bit of power during smashes. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you're just starting out, you'll probably appreciate the control it offers more than raw power. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a stylish paddle that's easy to handle. But if you're an experienced player looking for maximum power, you might want to keep searching. Now, the last paddle on my list is a premium option that promises both quality and performance. Product number 5, Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddles. Let's check out the Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddles priced at $47.99. I was intrigued by the family-owned brand and their commitment to quality. If you want a paddle that balances comfort and performance, this might catch your eye. These paddles feature a high-performance fiberglass face, which enhances ball control and responsiveness. Weighing only 7.5 ounces, they're designed to absorb impact while providing a large sweet spot. This is especially beneficial for players who want to develop their skills. With around 800 sold recently, it's gaining traction in the community. However, I did see some complaints about the grip being a bit too soft for some players. Here's my perspective. While it might not be for everyone, many appreciate the comfort it provides during long matches, reducing hand fatigue. This paddle is perfect for you if you value both comfort and performance while playing. But if you prefer a firmer grip for more control, this might not be the best fit for you. Now, let's wrap things up and summarize these options for you. To recap, we've covered 5 great pickleball paddles. If you're looking for a reliable paddle that's budget-friendly, I'd recommend the M10 Pickleball Paddle Set because it offers solid performance for beginners. On the other hand, I'd avoid the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set if you're serious about durability. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.